Everyone, I just wanted to share this post with you on how to make the discussion thread in Blackboard. Once you've completed your assignment for creating the discussion, the 3 photos, describing the 3 photos, you are going to come to class and hit the discussion forums page. Now you can see there's something already here. This is from last year, so I'm just using an example to show you from last year. The discussion thread is available for you to click on right here in the blue, so we're going to click on that. That's going to take you to the place where you're going to deposit, you're going to post your first thread. Okay, so you're going to create thread. You're going to click that button. You're going to open it up and you're going to title it with your first name and last name, and then the title All About Me. And then you're going to come down to this area here where you're going to post your page, right? Your page of the 3 photos and description. Okay, then you're going to hit submit. Voila. And then that brings your post right here. Okay, so now everybody can read. Hello, Max. Everyone can read your post. Max is coming to learn about discussion threads, friends. All right, so once you've posted, that allows others to read your post. Now, what if you want to read someone else's post? You need to make 3 responses, right? So 3 responses. You're going to click open a response. You're going to read about their response. And then you're going to make a comment. You see here, these students from last year have made a comment. To do that, you're going to press reply, and then you're going to reply to that student's response, okay? Okay, so you need to do 3 of those. Once you've done with that, hit submit. It's going to show that you made a response. Actually, I didn't do anything. I didn't type anything. All right, so once you've typed the response, you've submitted it, make a screenshot of it. All 3 responses need a screenshot. Your original post needs a screenshot. Once you've got all 4 items, then you can come back to the assignment folder and submit, okay? If you have any further questions, I'll be happy to assist during class.